Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I will be bringing you guys along the journey of doing our garage floors. We are making it over with this whole self-distancing lifestyle right now. Jerry has some time off, so he decided to go ahead and take the time to do our garage. And I thought I'd share with you guys in case you are interested. We did get quoted about almost $1,000 to have the garage painted and the floors epoxy. So that was kind of like, it's kind of a lot of money just to throw it into the garage, which is, you know, just park the cars in there and have our storage stuff. So we decided to go ahead and try it ourselves. So Jerry is already started. He already painted the walls yesterday. They're dry. And today he is emptying out the garage. And I'm gonna show you guys the process after that. Today is day one pretty much, and he just has to clean the floor. This is like a 3-day step, I think, or so. So I'm gonna show you guys so that you can do it yourself and save yourself almost like $1,000. Okay, so this is the kit, the garage floor coating kit, and it is through Rust-Oleum. And this is what it comes with. It comes with the confetti edge, decorative chips, the part A, part B, the stir stick, and your instructions. I will have this link below, you guys. He did buy this at Lowe's. I'm not sure how much he paid for it. I think it was like 100 and something, but it is a kit and it comes with everything. And additionally, he had to buy a roller to apply it, a brush to clean the floor. I think this is to seal some cracks in the concrete, some brushes, and a floor squeegee because he needs to make sure that the floor is really, really dry before he moves on to this part.
Guys, let me show you something real quick.
So this is our garage. He already painted the walls, the ceiling yesterday, and like I said, he's emptying it out today because the first step is you have to wash it? No, degrease it. Clean it. Sweep it, degrease it, wash it, and that you have to let it dry like overnight. So that's what he's gonna do today for day one. But you guys, the walls being painted makes like a huge, huge difference. And this is a, I believe it's like a 20 by 20 garage. It's a 2-car garage. So there it is. It's all empty. Now you have to make sure to sweep very, very good because you want to get all the dirt out and dust. And
Daddy told me to stay over here because there is all these spiders and one needs to stay over here in case of issues.
and have the little minions help out.
I can make it better next time.
So this is our canvas, what we're starting with. Okay guys, so he is done washing the garage, and now he has to degrease the whole garage.
Just where the heavy soil areas are.
And that is what he bought that that brush I showed you guys earlier. That's what he bought it for. And he's basically just focusing where the tires are. The tire marks are, and which is not bad at all.
Underneath where the cars park, in case they leak anything. Just shouldn't. My cars are filling me.
This is the concrete cleaner that he bought to degrease. It was about 10 bucks and it's a whole gallon, and he got this at Lowe's. Okay.
Careful, don't break this in because it's
mix all concrete etch with 2 gallons of water. Do not add concrete etch directly to paint. Mix until dissolved. This solution contains a mild citric acid. Do not use. Pre-wet the floor using a hose. Remove cooled water with a squeegee. We have 2 gallons of water in there with both of the concrete etch. What you're doing now.
I mixed the paint. Now I'm gonna start painting.
Okay. You have to follow the instructions, and it is time sensitive, and they recommend to start on the edges. And this is the color that we are going with. I feel like I should help you on this part.
Why? Because it's gonna take a while?
Yeah. You need some knee pads?
No.
You guys, it's already nighttime. We're almost done. And it's already looking very, very nice. You definitely need help. You need another person to help you do the edges while one person does the whole area. Because if not, there's probably no way that you can finish within the time frame of mixing. But super nice. Super, super nice. No, it's okay. I'm gonna show you how you do that. Toss it in the air to add your sparkle. Definitely the technique of throwing it up in the air works better. And then kind of doing it how the hubby's doing it once you get closer to you. But either way, it looks really nice.